Hey, it is Coach Maggie with another Soul Food Sunday. How do you feel when you have done all the right things and yet you feel like your plans have failed? You picked the right date, everything seems to be going right, you've thought things through, and then it flops. Today I want to talk about a story in Luke, the New Testament, and it's a story about Jesus coming across the disciples. It was no accident, though. And they have been out fishing all night. And though that seems strange to us, apparently that's how you do fishing. And they fished all night, and he sees them on the shore one morning, and they're washing their nets. And they're discouraged because, again, they did everything that they were supposed to do, and they thought they were doing it right, but they caught nothing. To you and me, if we went out fishing, no big deal. But if that is how you make your living, it's a big deal. So they're discouraged, they're washing their nets. And Jesus asks Peter to take the boat and go out just a little bit so that he could speak to the people. So really the boat became a platform, a stage, if you will. So after Jesus shares and they row the boat back in, Jesus turns and says, "Take the boat out and take your nets and go fishing." And Peter's like, "Okay, this guy's a carpenter. I'm the professional fisherman. We've fished all night. We've caught nothing. Daytime is not the time to be fishing." But something about Jesus makes him say, "Okay, because you say so." So he rows the boat out to the middle of the lake, and they catch just a huge amount of fish, almost to the point of breaking their nets. And they have to holler for their friends to come with their boats to help haul that load of fish in. And that's at that point that they drop their nets when they get back to shore and they leave everything behind and they follow Jesus. And he says, "You were fishermen, but now you be fishing for men." So often we have tried things and we've been discouraged. We've given it everything. We thought we did it according to plan. We felt like God was leading us. And yet, a lot of times, things don't happen. We've prayed about it. We feel like we can check everything off. And yet, the answer seems to be no. But I just want to say sometimes different situation opens up, but we keep going back to that one time, that last time when it just didn't seem to be going. And we're afraid to venture out. We're like, "No, I've tried this and it didn't work. I tried reaching out to that friend and they closed the door on me. So that relationship is dead. I've tried getting a hold of my health, stopping these bad habits. I've tried saving. I've tried, at work. I have applied again and again, and I keep getting turned away." And we get to that place where we're like, "You know what? I'm just done." But I believe that Jesus is asking us, give it another try. Whatever it is, give it another try. I know you've tried. I know you're thinking, "I've done everything," but give it another try. You've gotten that diagnosis and you're ready just to throw up your hands. You've tried, again, appealing to this person or that person for this situation, and it doesn't seem to be working. Give it another try. We tend to want to see the results, and I'm there too. I do. When I put the work in, I expect to see the results. But yet, there's a lot that we learn in the midst of that striving, in the midst of trying. More importantly, we learn that we can't do it on our own. And so, whatever it is that maybe comes to your mind as you're thinking, "Yeah, I've tried that and it isn't working. Yes, that relationship seems to be broken permanently." Give it a try again. Whatever it is, give it a try. Do not give up. God's got something up his sleeve and he's ready, but we just have to persist and to keep going and to have faith. So Come back tomorrow for 5 Minute Monday Mindset and go into this new week. By the way, if health is one of yours you have been struggling with, please check out my Restore Your Health Academy. It's open just for another week. It closes on the 21st at midnight. See if maybe you've tried a lot of different things. And like I just said, you feel like, okay, I've done it all and nothing is working. Maybe this is the time for you. So go out and have an amazing week. And as always, God bless. Take care.